Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to go to the next line in Slack. So first, what you want to do is go to add a message or channel right here and go to the message line and type in anything. So let's say I'm going to type hi. And if you want to go to the next line, just click on Shift Enter. And basically, it will type this, or it will make a new line just like so. So if you want to change this setting, so let's say I'm going to click on Enter right here. If you want to change the settings, just hover to this Shift plus Enter to add a new line right here under the send button. So click on that, and here you can see when writing a message, press Enter to send the message or start a new line. So you can change the settings to this one to start a new line. So when I go back and type in Enter, instead of sending the message, it will instead create a new line, something like that. If I want to send the message, you just need to click on Control Enter. So if you want that settings, you could change it here on this option right here, right? If you can see it. So if you just want to revert it, just go back here and click on this. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.